Hi everyone, today I gonna unboxing Zenfone MAX Pro M1. Today I bought two phone Zenfone MAX Pro. So this is one. So I'm gonna unbox the other one. So let me see. See. So at the back fingerprint and dual camera light, so I can be portrait mode, and in front camera also get flash one. So can open. So this one I already set up for the menu, you can see guys. Okay, so let's check setting. So the Android is pure egg. Android egg. So Oreo. So get face unlock and fingerprint. So also got free casing. See. Ta-da! Okay, also get the SIM tray key. Also got this one, Free Fire, free, worth for 80 ringgit. Yeah, okay, voucher. So I bought two black Asus Zenfone MAX Pro. Okay, so as you can see, it's a 3GB RAM, 32GB ROM. So the camera, yeah. Okay, see the camera. Okay.